Alright, first off I want to give a shout out to Shine Armor, reaching out to me and asking me if I'd like to try some of their products. I've heard good things. I'm going to try out this interior cleaner. Comes with 2 microfiber towels, anti-static and sun blocking agents. It's good for vinyl, leather, or plastic. I'm going to be trying out Shine Armor's interior cleaner on my turbocharged Lexus IS300. This thing is pretty filthy, dust everywhere. The leather too, and nothing has been cleaned for a very long time. Dusty and dirt, fingerprints. I'm working on it. All right, let's get to cleaning. Make this interior shine. All right, first off, the microfiber towels that they send with are really good quality. They don't feel cheap at all, and they're actually their own brand, Shine Armor, so it's not like they're just buying cheap microfiber towels to throw in with their stuff. It's actually branded and it feels really nice. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is get your Shine Armor interior cleaner and your microfiber towel and leave it kind of folded like this so it fits in the palm of your hand, and then you just wet the towel down. And also on the bottle itself, there's a little switch on here for on and off, like a little safety, that way you don't squirt it everywhere. Just nice sprays like that, and then you're gonna want to wipe your surfaces down. And then after you've got done wiping down your surfaces with this, you want to come back with the clean, dry microfiber towel and wipe down the rest of the surfaces with that. Alright, turned out really good. It's got a really nice matte shine to it. Yeah, it turned out really good. It's good stuff. All like the leather on the shift boot and the e-brake handle. Turned out really good. Making my 21-year-old interior look new again. The seats and the leather came out really nice. Highly recommend. Definitely should check out Shine Armor. Make some really cool products. They make a lot of different stuff too, so check out their website.